Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's solve two problems from basic electrical engineering. That is series parallel combination of resistors. So without wasting time, let's go to the problem. Resistor of 3.6 ohm is connected in series with another of 4.56 ohm. What resistance must be placed across 3.6 ohm so that the total resistance of the circuit shall be 6 ohm. So first you understand the problem here. If you meet the equivalent resistance of 6 ohm, what is the value of resistor that you are connected parallel to 3.6 ohm? Means you need to find unknown value of resistor R. So just see the circuit diagram now. This is a circuit diagram. So here you can see 3.6 ohm resistor is connected series to 4.56, and what resistance must be placed across, that is nothing but parallel to the 3.6 ohm to get the equivalent value of resistor 6 ohm. So very simple problem. You need to find the value of R. You know the value of equivalent resistor. You know two resistor values, you can get only one unknown resistor. So R equivalent is given by now 3.6 ohm and R is in parallel. Therefore, 3.6 into R divided by 3.6 plus R, which is connected in series to 4.56 ohm resistor. That's why plus 4.56. So now we have to reduce this. Here you know the value of R equivalent, that is 6 equal 3.6 R divided by 3.6 plus R plus 4.56. Here the unknown term is R. Either you can use calculator or simplify. You'll get the value of resistor as 2.4 ohm. A very simple problem. Understand the problem? Which resistor you are connecting parallel to 3.6 ohm to get equivalent value of resistor as 6 ohm. Okay. I hope you are getting this problem. If you have any doubt regarding this, feel free to write in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.